Hello and good evening, everyone. How are you all? Let me know quickly in the chat box because we have a really power packed session lined up today for all of you, which will help you to gain so many achievements with this Google that you cannot even imagine. Okay, great. Thank you so much for your lovely replies. I can sense the energy. I can sense the energy with which all of you are filled and you're here for the session. You're eagerly waiting to listen to the topmost earner of Bizgurukul, the Iron Lady, the phenomenal performer. And you know who I'm talking about, right? Yes, absolutely. So, very warm welcome to all of you. Now, let me know how many of you are here actually for the very first time. Type FT in the chat box if you're here for the very first time. It's your first session. And for the very first time you're attending this training, yes, you're saying Rohit sir, thank you so much for that. But you'll be taking the training directly from top earner of Biz Gurukul. How does that feel? Yeah, if you're feeling awesome about it, type top in the chat box. Wow, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Top, yes, exactly. Indeed, this training is gonna be very powerful. Very powerful. Yes, indeed, she is Biz Gurukul ki pari. We're proud to have her with us here. Great, perfect. Now tell me, how many of you enjoyed watching the Biz Gurukul Superstars Meet video, which I just played at the beginning of the session? How many of you enjoyed it? Yes? Me. Wow. All of you. Yes. How many of you want to actually enjoy all those moments with the Bizgurukul superstars, with the Bizgurukul management, with the co-founders, with the mentors? Oh, wow. Yes, I can see that all of you are excited for that. Let me share a few moments with you. Some candid moments which you might have not seen in that video. If you're ready, type BIO. Yes, you want to see that? Okay, great. So what you'll have in, so this is what we had in Superstars Meet. Now, what you could have in the Biz Gurukul birthday meet, which is the next target for all of you, which is the next big event that Biz Gurukul gonna host. You can have this complete superstar rockstar experience here with the top people, the top performers, right? With the sensational affiliates, the models, the role models, the people, the youngsters who are inspirational, inspirational for the youth of this country. You can enjoy with us. You can touch the sky. Like, and I mean it because people are doing that, and you can see how much elated, how much elated we are. You can, just show off in style, right? You can get as much pixelated as you want. You can enjoy. You can talk to these people. You can learn from them. You can gain so many lovely gifts from our side. And yes, we did celebrate our parties over there, right? And then see, we have dance, we have fun and frolic, and see, we dance the shit out of all of us. I'm telling you this. How many of you love to dance? Type dance. Yeah, type dance if you love to dance. Yes, great. And once you are with us, there's no any other choice for you. Okay, there's only one choice, that you have to come there and you need to dance. Okay, dance loves me. Nice, Rina. Nice one. Right? So you can have all the kind of masti that you want, right? And you'll see the totally opposite side of the trainers, of the mentors, of these people, right? Which you cannot even imagine, right? Yes. So you can be a part of this lovely environment. You can be a part of this lovely session, right? And all of this, and this is just limited thing, okay? This was about Superstars Meet, but what you'll actually have in the Biz Gurukul per day celebration, it's gonna be totally different experience. It will be several levels up than the Superstars Meet. Yes, it will be almost, you can say, 10x, 50x, and 100x times more enjoyable, more learnable, and more inspiring event. So if you're ready to be a part of Biz Gurukul birthday meet, type BBM in the chat box, because in this training tonight you're actually going to learn how you can hit that target, how you can hit the target. We launched this reward in January only, at the time of New Year, on the occasion of New Year. And now 1 month is almost over. The half time is gone. Now for the second half, even if you are here for the very first time, this training will help you to achieve that target even in the next 28 days. The last date is 28 Feb. But don't worry, even if you are here for the very first time, if you just enrolled tonight only, just before this meeting, don't worry about it, because today you're going to learn all those secrets with which you can still hit that target, and you can be the next superstar of Biz Gurukul. If you're ready, type ready. And yes, the trainer for today, the girl who needs no introduction. She has broken all the records. She has created some new records here, which is very, very tough to break now. She has become a great inspiration, especially for the women entrepreneurs, for all those females in the country who want to achieve their dreams, who want to do something on their own, who actually want to create an identity, and not only identity, who actually want to become an inspiration. And this girl has actually done that, and she has done that in style. The best part about that is she does everything in style, right? So she has earned over 8 lakh rupees in just 7 months. She's just 19 years old. She's currently into second year of her college. She has made more than 8 lakh rupees in just 7 months. Can you imagine that? But if we talk about the Biz Gurukul birthday meet target, when we launched it on 1st Jan, she achieved it on 10th of Jan itself, which means that she achieved this target within just 10 days, out of which in those 10 days she generated over 9 platinum sales and 1 sapphire sale. So every day she was getting a sale, and then when she hit that, there was no stopping there, right? Because then she went on to break and create such a great history in Biz Gurukul, where she created a commission of over 1,15,000 rupees in just 7 days. How many of you watched that screenshot of her? Right? She just shared it yesterday also, that 1,10,000 rupees was credited into her account as affiliate commission from Biz Gurukul. Did you get inspired from that? Yes, type inspire. Oh, don't talk about 1 lakh a month. You need to talk about 1 lakh a week now. Because Paridi has already done that, right? She has so many achievements that I couldn't recall all of them, so I had to note them down. She, in the last 28 days, she has made over 3,13,000 rupees in commissions from Biz Gurukul, right? Out of which, in the last 28 days, she has created over 20 platinum sales. Okay. Yes. I mean, I have no words to share, the kind of performance that she has done. All of you know about the Car Superstar program? Yeah? How many of you know about the type car? And you also want to achieve that dream car from Biz Gurukul? Yes? So we launched that Car Superstar program for Hall of Famers, and she achieved it in just 75 days. The target was of 90 days, but she achieved it in just 75 days. Second thing, how many of you want to go to Goa? Type Goa. And you know that we have our national trip, right? The target is of Goa. Yes. So the target was of 180 days, but she achieved it in just 110 days. And she became the first car fund achiever. She became the first Goa trip achiever. And she's just about to become the first international trip achiever from Biz Gurukul as well. And she before this training, I had a word with her. She's just 30K short. Just 30K short. It's just a matter of 2 or 3 days now that she'll become the very first international trip achiever of Biz Gurukul as well, right? She's on top of all the charts. 7 days income leaderboard, she's on top. 30 days, she's on top. All-time top earner, her name is on top of that leaderboard. Yes, exactly. Even I can't wait to call her, but she has so many achievements, right, that I could not stop myself from sharing all those with you. So, final word. Are you ready to listen to this phenomenal leader? Type BIO, which means bring it on, as I invite center stage here none other than Paridhi Agarwal. And you know how we invite our guests, right? Absolutely. So guys, I've already started clapping here. Paridhi, a very, warm welcome to you to this training session, and we request you to put your video on. and start sharing all those lovely words of wisdom, those gems, those secrets through which our affiliates can also become just like you, through which they can also achieve these kinds of amazing results as you did. There she is. Welcome, Paridi.
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. What about you and my
I'm
Biz
good.
family?
I'm good, and all of the family is they are all eagerly waiting to listen to, and I know they must be saying, "Okay, Rohit sir, come on, get off the screen. We want to listen to Paridi."
Definitely, sir. It's been an amazing journey as always. Whenever I give webinar, I always have these goosebumps and nervousness all around me. No, it doesn't matter how good of a trainer I become, but I still have this nervousness and this butterflies in my stomach that always go around when I come live with you or with Paras, sir.
So, Paridi, one question which a lot of journalists also, almost all of them, they like to ask, and I'm going to ask you that in the same style, right? So, you have made over 1 lakh rupees in just a week. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel?
Rich. It
Lovely.
feel it sometimes feel like I have get that money double scheme in 25 days type something. Means
Not just double, it went 10
yes,
times, no?
unimaginable. I feel rich. I can, there was a time that I felt like that there might come a day in my life. Really wish for that when actually I love shopping. So I always have to, being from a middle class family, or always have to look at the tags of things when
Hmm.
purchasing anything. But
Hmm.
now I go on shopping like anything. I don't need to see the tags. I just pick it up, and be it for my family, be it for myself, I just pick it up and I can buy anything that I feel. So that is the type of freedom that I'm having. So that's the best for me. Actually, for a girl, shopping is love.
I totally
So yeah,
understand.
I feel rich.
Great, great. Wow. So, Paridi, how has the journey been like?
So
And
flawless.
just give me a moment, guys. This training is in English, okay? On Fridays, we have English training. So please do not ask me in the chat to do this training in Hindi, okay? For Hindi, you can watch our Hindi training, which was done on Wednesday. This training is going to be in English, okay? So please try to focus. आपको जितना समझ में आ रहा है is perfectly fine. बाकी आप अपने स्पॉन्सर से हेल्प लें. हम कोई अंग्रेजों की तरह इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते हैं. बिल्कुल सिंपल इंग्लिश बोलते हैं. परिधि भी बिल्कुल सिंपल इंग्लिश बोलती है. ठीक है?
Definitely.
So आपको इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा. Don't worry about it.
Yes, definitely. I'll take it little slow so that everyone can understand.
Right. Okay. Perfect.
Okay,
Perfect.
lovely.
So Paridi, how has the journey been like?
So flawless being 19 and making money is the secondary thing, but being an inspiration to someone, creating value in lives of other people. Many people are earning with me. I have helped many people, even who are not my affiliates. So yes, when they message me, I get, I always wake up to these messages. You are my inspiration. You are my inspiration. It feels amazing being
Hmm.
at such a young age that just because of Biz Gurukul, I was able to explore my talent. If this platform hasn't been here, so I don't think that my potential would be hidden up till now, in fact. So I'm creating value in life. So definitely, I don't know how I started. I just started. I know this thing, and now I just don't want to stop. I started although for a short run, to be
Hmm.
very honest, to fetch some money so that I can bear my expenses in college. But yes, now I have no plan to quit. I'm definitely planning it in a long run because I feel happy here. I feel happy interacting with people. I feel happy when they ping me up, oh, I got my first sale just because of you. So yes, definitely that's a lovely experience,
Wow.
indeed commendable.
And what has been the shift in the environment in your family at home, right? When you joined it, how was the sentiments like in between? And now, what do your family and your parents feel?
Definitely, when I started, they were like, you got to invest your own money up in this, because when you invest your own money, so you have this pain to recover it. So, although my father could have paid for it, but I started on my own, and I just didn't stop from the first day. I knew that at least I would recover my amount. I will not stop like that. And then, obviously, Biz Gurukul is a lovely system. We get all the necessary help we need from the mentors, from you. Obviously we can anytime reach people out. Everybody is helpful here. So I just started my journey. At the beginning they were like, okay, you are earning 6 8,000, then 10,000, then it shifted to an average of 30 40,000, then 50 60, then 1 lakh, and then now they are like, okay, I don't leave it, keep doing it. Otherwise they used to, they used to poke me that leave this, focus on your studies, because as parents they definitely have this concern that I should focus on my studies rather. But yes, when they have seen this potential that how much I can do, so yes, definitely they are like, okay, I know you will study as well, keep doing it. We are loving it, definitely.
Wow, lovely. So you like दोनों जिम्मेदारी आपने निभाई, right? You
Yeah.
handled both the responsibilities.
Yes,
Number
definitely.
one was of being a good student as well. The second
Yes,
one
sir.
was of being a good affiliate.
In fact, I bagged scholarship this year. Once again, I have a very strong academic record as well. I'm a topper since childhood. So yes, studies can't be compromised before anything. Studies are first, because you need to have, an educated background to inspire people to understand things, because education is important. It's
True.
not, it's, I don't think personally it's good that you should, leave college. Okay, it's okay to leave college if you feel like, but at least you should get your basic education done well, because after all your parents are paying for that. So even if your parents have paid for this Gurukul, do it well. If they have paid for your college, for your school, if for your tuitions, do it well. Just don't waste their money, because if you are here, you know how hard it is to earn money, right? So just value every lecture, every class, every training you have, everything you should value, definitely.
Wow, congratulations for bagging that scholarship, Pariri.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right. So, how did you feel? When we launched the Bisgurkul birthday meet program, like you were achiever of the Bisgurkul Superstars meet as well. How did you feel on the very first day when you heard about this?
I was like, okay, it's a little tough, yes, but I can do, definitely. I set a goal because I always have this buffer time with me, that let's say if the criteria was to hit this Gurukul meet in 60 days, I kept myself the target to hit that in 30 days. I started scrambling my head and brainstorming on paper that how can I achieve it in within 30 days, so that I can start helping my affiliates and other people as well to achieve the same. Because if I achieve, if I achieve it first, so I can, go on giving knowledge to other people as well. Because obviously I don't want that it should only be me in the BBM. I want my whole family, my every affiliate to be there, because last time we had so much crazy fun and it was one hell of a night.
Indeed, indeed. And that
Yeah, so
lovely birthday surprise given by you, that was truly memorable. Thank you so much for that.
okay, so this time I'm guessing this time I'm getting some surprise for being the top
The
achiever.
surprises are not to be revealed.
Definitely, I got one already featured on Biz Gurukul's page. It was a lovely photo with a cute birthday cake on that.
Yeah. So you
It
you
would be
deserve
great.
you deserve
Yes,
all of that. All of that.
yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
So now
But
our affiliates, they are all eager to learn all those techniques which you implemented. So, because of which you were able to hit that in such a
definitely,
short span of time, right? So let's get started. Have you prepared some presentation for that?
yes, sir,
Okay. So
definitely.
I've given
Let
you
me
the access.
just share
You
my
can start.
screen.
So guys, tell me in the chat box.
Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible. So guys, you can type ready if you can see the screen properly. If it's properly visible to you, please type ready. Yeah. Okay, ready. Are you ready with your notepad and pen? Because this training is going to be like no other. I'm telling you this.
I am ready with my pen and my cute sipper and my
Uh,
watch. I got all this from Biz Gurukul. This is a lovely place. You get gifts, you get income, you get respect, you become inspiration, you become influencer, and God knows what not is next.
so
Sir,
we'll try to make our affiliates the prime ministers as well in the future.
yeah, honestly, now I am of the mindset. I have become such a person who thinks everything is possible. No wonder I become so good in near future that Forbes invites me. I get featured on Vogue. My imagination now has expanded to an insane level that I can do anything that I want. So
Wow.
this is the type of confidence that actually I have developed in my life from here, especially that if I believe it, I can do it. the law of attraction that Keshav sir taught us, that if you believe something, you can do it. If you keep working hard for it, you can definitely achieve it. So that's the best thing that I have, you know, imbibed in myself, that the confidence level I have is just commendable.
Perfect. So over to you, Paridhi, now.
Hmm. Okay. So, a lovely welcome to everyone present here today. It's a lovely poster that I made for you all. And here's a cute birthday cake that we all wish to share someday, very soon, 24th March, right? So, let's begin with the presentation. Okay. So, first of all, while selling anything, be it any product, be it courses, be it anything XYZ, you need to first consume it. If you don't consume something, simple is the thing that you cannot promote it. Because once you just, let's take an example, right? If I only consume a strawberry shake, only then I can recommend Rohit sir that it is a good shake and you must try it too. So what is the first thing that I want you all to know, that the first thing that you have to do is that you should have a thorough knowledge of all the courses that we have. Biz Gurukul is not all about that you just purchase a course, enroll with us, and then just start promoting it by just taking all the trainings. That's not all. That's not how I have achieved all these milestones. I was able to achieve all of this just because I was thorough with the courses as well. I have deep understanding of the courses, what all are the modules. Look, if you have joined a couple of months back or couple of days back, so you might have explored some courses. But if you are new and you are attending this very training for the very first time, so obviously there are only 30 days left, right? So it is not possible to buck up all the courses all at once, right? So it would be useless even if you start cramming it, or if you start watching 10 videos of courses in a day, it would be useless. So I would really recommend you that you cannot promote unless you have the thorough knowledge of the courses, of what courses we provide in gold package, what courses we provide in platinum. It Everything should be on your tips, that you should remember all the courses that we have, what modules we have. Obviously, the biggest mistake according to me, what all affiliates does is that they start promoting the plan. It is not a plan. You are selling courses, so you should rather talk about the courses, that how it has helped you. Like in the very beginning, people ask me that how did you made your first sale. I was able to crack my first sale because I had consumed the courses very thoroughly. I explained the person who purchased the first package from me. I explained the person that I learned all these personality development things and how I created the output from that course. I learned the video making course, and then I started video making, and I'm getting good reach. So you need to tell the person that how the courses have helped you so far. So I'm not telling you to go all through the courses, but yes, you should at least have all the course names on your tips, so that when the person asks you what all is included in the gold package, so you must be able to tell him within seconds that all of this is included in the gold package, right? Instead of sending the PDF, it is better that you should remember it on call, right? The first thing. The second thing, start going through the modules at least. I know digital marketing and all these courses are very lengthy, and it is very difficult, to work up all those courses in such a short span of time. But at least personality development, communication, we have spoken English. So all these courses are short courses. So you can, start going through at least one or two videos in a day, so that you start gaining knowledge. Only then you can promote successfully to a person, right? And just as an example goes, you cannot promote unless I have consumed the strawberry shake. I cannot tell Rohit sir that it is worth a try, right? So start going through the courses first. That's the best and first step from my side, right? Sir, do you agree with this, that we should have a thorough knowledge of the
Totally,
courses?
absolutely agreed. Because that won't be a genuine recommendation. Then this business
Yes,
is
yes,
not about
definitely.
sharing the lies. Okay, it has
Hmm.
so much of truth in it, and if you start sharing the truth, That's
Hmm.
enough to get you these many achievements, and Paridhi is a big example of that. Okay,
Yes,
so
definitely.
it's a great
Obviously,
point.
if you haven't watched a movie, how can you say that watch this movie, this one is good? If you haven't consumed the
Absolutely.
courses, then how can you say that the courses are worth the worth your cost or worth your money? Obviously, I have consumed the courses. I have learned everything from Rohit sir and the trainers. We have different trainers for different courses. Obviously, your confidence speaks only when you are not lying to the customer. Trust me on this. If you are lying, the customer these days are very smart. They catch you in a second, and then people go on asking me that why my leads doesn't get converted, because you are not honest with them. You haven't studied yourself and you are recommending others. That doesn't make sense at all. So start going
Right.
to the courses, right?
Right.
So
Paridhi,
let's move
your
to
volume has lowered a bit. I guess you need to
uh,
keep your mic a bit close to your mouth. The mic
just a second, okay, is it fine now?
a bit better.
Okay, lovely. Okay, let's move to next slide. Okay, so I know that there are a lot of people here who have joined the Biz Gurukul's training for the very first time, who have enrolled today. So obviously, this is a training to be conducted in just an hour. So I cannot go on explaining every bit of the basic training. So I am recommending some trainings for the basic steps that you need to have to get started in Biz Gurukul, to start the promotions part, right? We have 4 steps. First step is profile building, right? That you need to make a nice profile on your social media accounts so that people start getting attracted to your profile. The second is lead generation. Lead generation is attracting customers for this platform, right? And third one is giving them presentation, sharing the all the necessary details. And fourth is closing. Closing is that you talk with the customer on call and you get the deal done so that they enroll with us, right? So we have 4 steps. This is for the newbies. I know already the existing affiliates know this, but newbies, that's why I'm recommending you some good trainings that has been already done previously in this Gurukul. You go through these trainings and they would definitely help you a lot in setting up everything very nicely. The links for these respective trainings would be shared on Telegram. Please be responsible to check it out. Okay. So for profile building, I'm suggesting these 2 trainings. One was conducted by me. It was in Hindi and English both. So you can go through my training. I give it on profile building, and one was given by Laima Jan, right? For lead generation, there was one training by Milit Vanka, and there was another training by Ritesh Tiwari and Srijan Mitra. Don't worry that where would you find all these trainings. You would get all the links on Telegram by today itself or by tomorrow. Just make sure that you check it out. Okay. And the next is objection handling and closing. Yes, obviously when you are into this particular field of marketing, you come across many objections, right? That some people don't want to invest, or they have certain doubts about the legalities, or different excuses or maybe objections, right? So objection handling and closing. What does closing means? Closing is getting the deal done on the call, right? After talking thoroughly with your customer, after solving all their doubts, and then making them enroll with us, right? So objection handling and closing. There were 2 trainings. One was Sunday special training by Robin Matthew, and objection handling by Paras Saxena, and Step to Success series. Who all have joined today might have got this Step to Success series. It is a complete training designed by Paras sir, who's our affiliate support head. So you will start going through it. Obviously we don't have much days left in BBM's target, right? So try to complete all this stuff, these special trainings that I have recommended, and Paras's Step to Success series within just 4 or 5 days, and start implementing it. Not just, it is not just that I have given you some lectures and you just start going through it. Start implementing it as well, right? So that's the best recommendations from my side. You can go through more trainings. We have all the trainings in our playlist, right? But these were some of which I personally feel that they could help you a lot, right? Okay. Hmm. So sir, is my screen visible?
Yes,
Okay.
Aditi.
Yes. Okay. So, for everything, just like when you prepare for your exams, your tuition teacher or your coaching center gives you a roadmap to it, that these are the questions that you gotta do, these are important, these you don't have to miss, right? They give you that this type of question comes for 4 marks, so you prepare accordingly. You build a roadmap for you, that you gotta do this chapter first, then this and this. So exactly in that way, I have designed a roadmap for you, that how can you exactly crack the criteria for Biz Gurukul, right? Sir, can you please help me elaborate that what is the exact criteria for BBM, because I guess newbies won't know it by now.
Yeah, sure, I'll do that.
Mhm.
So the criteria for Business School birthday meet. So our birthday is on 24th March, okay, and we are gonna have a grand celebration for that. You can be a part of that, and for that you need to make 10 sales. Okay, so very first criteria is that you yourself need to be at platinum level. Okay, so if you have started with gold or maybe sapphire, the first thing that you need to do is upgrade yourself to the platinum package, and after you upgrade, you need to make 10 sales. Okay, they could be a combination of platinum and sapphire. Okay, so there is no compulsion that you need to make all the platinum sales or all the sapphire sales, nothing like that. Even if you make like one platinum and 9 sapphire is perfectly fine. You make all 10 platinum sales, you make all 10 sapphire sales, perfectly fine. The gold sales will not be included in that. You need to make either the sapphire and platinum sales only. 10 sales, the last date is 28th of Feb, and also
Hmm.
first of all you need to be at the platinum level. So this target is only for the platinum affiliates. This is a very simple target and criteria through which you can achieve and be a part of the Biz Gurukul birthday meet.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So, if you are not a platinum affiliate yet, trust me, you are doing it all wrong. You cannot promote unless you have that course. Trust me. So, if you are a gold affiliate and you have earned something, or even if you haven't earned something and you can invest, trust me, it is the best decision. Upgrade today, right? Okay, so let's start with the roadmap. First, before telling you the roadmap, I need you to understand the law of average. Law of average says that, see on the screen, that let's say you generate 100 leads. Leads means that the customers you attract for Biz Gurukul or for any business, but here itself we are talking about Biz Gurukul only, right? So leads are the customers that we attract from social media, right? So that we can provide them information and we can solve their doubts, and if they are interested, they enroll with us. So first look at the screen, that firstly we have this. Let's say what law of average says, let's say we have 100 leads, right? 100 customers contacted me on Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or from whatever platform I'm promoting, right? So if I get 100 leads, right, and share them the concept of Biz Gurukul by sending them the recorded webinar or either making them watch the live webinar, right? So only 8 to 10, around 8 to 10 people are genuinely serious, who have gone through the webinar and who in particular have liked our concept, right? So they might have certain queries or doubts, or maybe they directly want to enroll, right? So we talk to them on call, and then out of those 8 to 10 people, around 2 to 5 persons start with us. Start with us means they purchase the course from Biz Gurukul, and you get your sale done and you get commission in your account for the sales that you make, right? So out of 100 people, we get 8 to 10 people who are interested, and then in turn 1 to 5, it can be one person who joins, it can be two-person who join, it can be three, four, or five. It varies according person to person, right? And what quality of people you are getting, right? So this is all law of average, that out of 100%, around 2 to 5 people join your business, right? Okay, so now let's move to the roadmap. So how exactly you gotta plan all this, right? We need 10 sapphire or platinum sales to hit the BBM target, right? So you need to find your average first, the people who are existing affiliates in this Gurukul who have made some sales. Around 5 out of 100 people join. If you have gained experience in Biz Gurukul, around 5 people out of every 100 persons join Biz Gurukul, right? But if you are a new affiliate to this platform, if you have joined just couple of days back or just today, so obviously it would require some time for you to figure out that on every 100% how many people start business with you. Like for me, I have this ratio quite a bit high. Around 6 to 7 people start with me if I talk to 100 people, right? So this is not the right thing for you, at least as of now, if you are a newbie here, because you don't know your average yet. But yes, definitely your sales would be definitely dependent on the law of average itself, that out of every 100 customers, one, two, or maybe three, four people start with you, right? Okay, so as I calculated in the previous slide, that out of 100 customers, 3 to 4 or 5 people start with you, right? So we need to generate at least, 800 to 1000 leads. That means within 30 days, you need to generate at least 1000 leads or customers for Biz Gurukul if you really want to achieve those BBM target, right? So because out of every let's say out of every 100 people, 4 people join Biz Gurukul, right? So you will be making, if you generate 800 to 2000 leads, so you will be generating at least 40 sales in a month, right? And when 4 people join, 2 to 3 people start with gold, and you can say that 1% out of every 4% start with either gold, either with sapphire or either with platinum, right? So out of every 4% who joins this Gurukul starts with either sapphire or platinum, right? So all in all, you need to generate 1000 leads in total within 30 days, be it from Facebook, be it from Instagram, be it from LinkedIn, or be it from any app. You need to generate at least 1000 leads, right? And for the lead generation itself, I have already recommended trainings. We have ample of trainings enlisted with us that you can go through, and trust me on this, you can generate more than 1000 leads if you are dedicated, right? So at least we need to generate 1000 leads, and out of those 1000 people, at least 40 would start the business with you. And out of those 40, at least around 10 to 15 people would purchase sapphire or platinum. Don't worry, I'll tell you that how you gotta tell them correctly about sapphire or platinum course, right? Sir, can you ask everybody that was it clear that how many leads they gotta generate exactly if they really want to achieve this?
Guys, you can reply in the chat box.
Okay, okay, so sounds perfect. Okay, so it's clear, no? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, let's move to next slide. Okay, so I'm telling you a little bit about presentation, that when the lead is generated, when the customer has been attracted to our platform or the work we are doing, so how you gotta, tell them about our concept exactly. First, you need to build a good rapport. Rapport is that you build a good relation with the person. Go through the training playlist. We have one very good training. I guess it was conducted by Paras sir. In that particular training, he told everything, how you can build good relations with your customers, right? So first thing is that you need to build a good rapport with your client or customer or lead, whatever you say, right? You need to, you don't have to be very professional and very formal in front of them. Yes, you gotta be professional, but they should have this family like feeling with you. People interact and start, business with only those people who they like, who they trust, right? So you gotta build a good trust with them, that you are a genuine person and you are genuinely here to help them out, right? So you gotta build a good relation with them first. Secondly, showing loss. Okay, okay, showing loss. Okay, let's omit that. That's not the correct point. Okay. uh, Third thing is, this share the recording. Share the recording, that means when the lead is generated, you make them message on WhatsApp, then you have to share the recording or the live webinar, whatever they feel comfortable. But these days, as we all know, that live webinars are very less in numbers, right? It is only Tuesday and Saturday. So So I personally now prefer working on the recording itself. So you can go through the person can go through the recordings on this bizgurukul.in as well, or you can share the YouTube link as well, right? So you share the recording, the concept of bizgurukul with the person, and you give them a deadline. That, let's say, what I personally do is, when anybody contacts me on WhatsApp, I make them save my number first, and secondly, I share a voice note with them. I introduce myself that this side Paridi Agrawal, and I have, I have been into this particular field for over this many months. I have created this much income. So I introduce myself a little for around, I guess, 50-60 seconds, right? So that at least person would know who am I, right? So only then the information you are sharing would be felt authentic. That whatever you are sharing is not any, Ponzi scheme or something like that. You are a genuine person. So start using audio notes with your customers. The very first time you interact with the person, start sending voice notes, right? Okay. Secondly, share the recording. And third, give them a deadline. Let's say what I do personally is that I write just after sharing the recording, my next message to the person is, you have 24 hours to revert me back once you watch this recording, and only then I will be able to help you. Right. So I added a line that only then I will be able to help you. And lastly, I write that, I hope you value the given time. So, person feels very bounded that yes, if they want to do this platform, if they want to do business with me, then they definitely got a reply within 24 hours. Otherwise, I won't be able to help them. Right. So I somehow created an urgency within the minds of people that yes, they have to watch this within 24 hours. Let's say if I give them 4 hours, no, so they feel very bounded, but at least if they have 24 hours, definitely they will watch, trust me on this, right? And around when 18 hours are over, I send them a recorded, this voice recording again, as a reminder that hey, I hope you have watched the webinar till yet, but if you haven't watched, so it's a request that you go through it and let me know if you are interested. Otherwise, it would not be possible for me, to help you with your doubts any further, right? So you just go through it and let me know if you are interested or if you are not interested, right? So even if they have forgotten about the video, they will get reminded that yes, we have to go through the video, otherwise this particular person will not help me any further, right? So that's how you can follow up within 24 hours and share them the recording and create a little urgency that you have 24 hours to watch this and revert me back, right? So that's how they get space as well, they get time as well to watch it on a relaxed mode and then revert you back, right? Okay, so let's move to next slide. Okay, so pitching sapphire and platinum, I hope I was clear with every point that I told you till yet. Was I clear? So can you on the chat box? Okay. Okay, okay, lovely, lovely. Okay, so let's come to one of the main topic that we have today, that how to close the sapphire or platinum sale. Look, the first thing that you, when the person has watched the webinar, he or she has told you that they are interested, then directly ask them what's the right time to call you, because trust me, on chats the sales are not closed that easily. I personally have made around 266 referrals till yet. That means I have made 266 sales in Viz Gurukul, and I guess only four of them were the rare case who got converted directly on chat, right? So this happens, once in a blue moon. So you need to get connected with the person on call. Doesn't matter if he or she purchases or doesn't purchase, right? But you have to get them connected on call with you, because only then you can establish a good connection with them. right? So when the person says that I'm interested, I have gone through the webinar and I really like it, and I have certain doubts, or even if they don't have any doubts, you make sure that you get them connected on call, because when a person says that we don't have any doubts, trust me, they have hell a lot of doubt, right? So get them connected on call. So the first thing is that you got to do on call is, please watch that closing trainings that are very helpful, that how you have to initiate the conversation, how you have to build relation with them, how you have to interact, because I cannot elaborate it all in this particular training, right? So I'm just focusing on the main points that I say to the person, so that they start taking interest in Sapphire or Platinum course, right? So first what you have to do is close the sale. Close the sale means that you get you develop a very keen interest of the person in our business of Biz Gurukul, in affiliation, right? So tell them the ease of business, that how easy it is to earn a decent amount of money from Biz Gurukul with just a very minimum investment. You get lifetime benefits, you get learning, you get earning, you get rewards, and many other things, right? So you get the client comfortable, and make sure that the person is genuinely very interested to start, be it today, be it tomorrow, be it after some couple of days, right? So close the sale. That means that you need to you need to get an assurance about 99.99% that this person would definitely start. So you have to be good in building a good relation with the client, right? Okay, so second, after I build a good relation, after I ask about their well-being, that how have they been doing, how have been their family, and where they live, what they do, and interact a little about them, their personal life, and a little about me, that what I personally do, what besides Biz Gurukul is my life as Paridhi, right? So when I discuss all this, I then start asking that, yes, you have gone through our webinar, so how was it, and what doubts you have. So you ask their doubts up, and then you ask them, by which course are you planning to start? I know that you all would say that mostly clients say that we will start with gold. Trust me, every on every 10 person who starts Biz Gurukul, trust me, 6 of them can afford platinum, right? But it is your mistake, it is your inefficiency, that you don't make them understand in a right way, so that that gets the ratio reverse, that 6 start with gold and only 3 to 4 people start with sapphire or platinum, right? So it is your inefficiency. 6 out of every 10 person can easily afford at least sapphire package, right? Even if not platinum, they can definitely purchase the sapphire package, because when somebody is spending 3,000 rupees, 2-3,000 more doesn't matter much these days, right? Okay, so you gotta ask them, by which course are you planning to start? Okay, they'll say gold. Let's take a case. Most probably, they'll say that we'll start with gold. Okay, so the next question would be, why not platinum or sapphire? So they will say, okay, we are short on money, or we should start with only the small amount. So you have to ask them, can you afford that cost? I'm not making any sales pitch, or I'm not forcing you to buy sapphire or platinum. I'm just asking in general, that can you afford that? In general, do you have these much bucks in your pocket, or maybe you will take from family, or from whatever source you will borrow the money, right? So can you afford this cost? At least, even if not for platinum, can you afford sapphire? So the person will say yes, most probably, because middle class families, below middle class, we all can afford sapphire, and we all can afford platinum as well, right? When our parents are paying 3,000, they can definitely pay 6 or 10 as well, right? So when the students say that, oh, our parents won't allow for this movie, let's take a case where there was no gold option, there was only sapphire and platinum. Obviously, even then would people start purchase the course, right? So this is just a matter of mindset, that how efficient you are in making them understand the value of sapphire and platinum, right? So you ask them if they can afford it, then you should start pitching platinum or sapphire. But if they say that we cannot even spend a single penny after 3000 rupees. So I don't think personally that you should force anyone, because if you know focus emphasize too much on sapphire or platinum to a person who genuinely can't afford that cost, trust me, you lose that sale, you lose that as well, because the person starts feeling that gold is absolutely worthless, right? So don't do that. Only once you feel like that yes, the person can genuinely afford it, then you should start pitching sapphire and platinum. I am telling you that how you got to do it. The fourth point, loss on taking gold, right? First you need to make the person understand that if you start with any course, right? So whatever course you start with, once you have started, I will not be getting any single penny from your sales, right? This is not MLM that I will get something once you make money. This is affiliation, only you would get the benefits that for whatever efforts you are making, right? So let's pick a case, right? I make the person understand. Let's say you start with gold. But first make them aware about the commission slab, that if you start with gold you will get just 2000 on gold, sapphire and platinum. You make the commission slab, make them understand this, and then start with this, right? Like I say that let's suppose let's say I'm talking to Rohit sir. Rohit sir is my lead, right? So I say, Rohit sir, basically the thing is that if you start, let's take a case where you start with gold, right? You cannot predict what your customer would like to take from you, right? Let's say your first customer wants to start with platinum. What then? You would get a loss of 5000 rupees straight, even after you did all the efforts. Your customer was a high paying client. Even then you would get a loss of 5000 rupees, be, just because you made the wrong decision today, right? And even in the loss case, I wouldn't get a single penny from your sale, right? No loss would be on my part, the loss would be on your part only, right? And let's take a case that you start with platinum and you get your first or maybe third or fourth sale with platinum. So you will be the person only who will be getting 7000 or 4000 on the salesman. Even in that case as well, I will not be getting any money. So it is only you who will be handling the loss or having the benefit. So it is you who will decide that you want the loss for yourself or you want the benefit for yourself, because in any of the case I won't face loss or I won't face any benefits, right? So what you gotta do is that make them understand that your everything, your money is on you. Your money, whatever growth you will make, it is on you, not on me, right? So make them understand this first thing, right? Okay. The second point, the next point is urgency for client loss, right? So I give them example of my affiliates or maybe of some other person from the Biz Gurukul. Let's say um, nowadays I have been, when I pitch for platinum, what I say is that there is one of my affiliate named Nandini. You know what, Rohit sir, we when Nandini started 3 days back, right? So uh, just in 3 days she got her first sale done, right? So this is this is in accordance with one of with that things as well. When the person says okay, I will think and I will tell you after 2 3 days or after a week, right? So you can create urgency as well through this point, this particular point, right? So I say that, you know what, there's this my affiliate with name Nandini. She talked to me and on the same day she started with me, and guess what, in just 3 days of her joining she got her first client done, right? So if you also keep making such excuses, you never know, the world is too big yet too small. You never know, whatever client you might have got, some other person will have get that client, right? Like let's say if Nandini wouldn't have started and would have made excuses just like you, that okay, I would think a little, I would start after 5 6 days, the client that approached Nandini would have gone to some other affiliate and the other affiliate would have been benefited. So create urgency. This is a very good point, that your clients will be lost if you delay, if you keep thinking for 2-3 days. It is a very simple concept, and it doesn't take long to think a lot that you should start or not. The loss will be on your part only, right? Okay. So the next point that I make them understand is, let's say, when especially I'm talking to a student, what I personally ask is that what stream you have passed your 11th and 12th, right? So let's say the person says science. Okay. So what I tell them is that, okay, let's say if you have would chosen arts as your subject in 11th and 12th, could you have taken a stream which is from commerce or science? They say no, obviously. Okay, then I ask the next question, that let's say you have like just like you told me that you have taken science. Now you want to take a stream that goes through commerce or arts. Can you pick up that? They say obviously yes, because we have done the supreme thing. We have done a field, a stream which is superior to arts and commerce, right? So I make them understand here, and I make them relate that just like your stream, it is the same thing in Biz Gurukul, that if you start with gold course, you cannot promote sapphire and platinum, because if you yourself are on the lower side, how can you go on pitching the higher courses, right? But if you start with a higher course, it becomes very easy. It becomes a just your cup of tea. It becomes very easy for you, that if you start with platinum, you can easily make the person start with sapphire or gold. At least they would definitely buy sapphire from you, right? So that is not possible that you start with gold and you make the person buy sapphire or platinum. So even if the person who could have afforded platinum or sapphire, that particular sale would have made you extra bucks in your account, that would be lost just because of your foolishness, just because you made the wrong decision today by starting with gold, right? So that would be a loss on your part only, right? The next point is in accordance with that, show mutual loss. What I tell them is, let's say I am your customer, don't take it on you. You you make them stand on your position, in your shoes. How? I'm telling you. Look, like I say that I am your customer. Let's say Rajat is an affiliate, is a lead. Who am I talking to? And I make Rajat affiliate and myself as a customer. How I make them relate is, I am talking to Rajat and I say, okay Rajat, let's say you are an affiliate of Biz Gurukul, right? And I am your customer. So I can easily afford platinum if guided the right way, है ना? But I have seen the webinar and I am interested, and just like you, I am of the mindset that I will start with gold no matter what, right? So if you are inefficient in portraying the correct information to me, in giving the complete knowledge about the better course to me, the loss will be mutual. How exactly? If I have started with platinum rather of gold, so you would have made 5,000 rupees extra, right? So if you are incapable of transferring all the knowledge to me, then that would be a 5,000 rupees loss on your part, okay, right? And for what loss I would face, that first I'll pay 3,000, then I'll again pay 6,000, then again I'll pay 10,000. That makes no sense. That makes absolutely no sense, that for the same thing itself I'm giving 16,000 rupees extra. Why? Don't do that. So the loss is mutual. Mutual is on both the sides. You lost your extra money, and I will lose my extra money on the long run, because I got to pay for the same courses 16,000 rupees extra, what I could have purchased in 10,000 only, or in 6,000, right? So show them the mutual loss, that you will be the one who will be suffering, and your client would be also the one who will be suffering just because of your foolishness, right? So this is the thing. Okay. And the last point that I would like to mention is, market and consumers are unpredictable. Trust me on this, Biz family. The clients that I thought wouldn't even join have started with platinum, and the people who I have laid my most trust on that they will definitely purchase platinum today, they even haven't started, right? So market consumers are absolutely unpredictable. You cannot predict when, how the person would buy which course, right? So you make your lead understand this, that the market and the consumers are unpredictable, right? When a person approaches you, you don't know that the person would be interested in platinum or sapphire or gold. You make them understand that we on a regular basis make platinum sales or sapphire sales, right? So obviously you are not mature enough that you are not starting with sapphire or platinum, but obviously your lead would not, might have the same case, your lead would have a better mindset. Obviously you meet every type of person in the marketing field, right? So obviously you cannot deny your customer no, that you shouldn't start with platinum, because obviously the person would see his benefits, not yours now, that you are on gold and that the person shouldn't start with platinum. Obviously the person would purchase platinum from us, because you were not mature enough to start with platinum, but that person is. So who's the person who is in loss? Obviously not me in any case, because I told you this first, that the loss would be on your part and the benefit would be on your part, right? So you make them understand that the market is unpredictable. Even your first customer can definitely purchase platinum, you never know. I give an example of one of my affiliates that I have in my group, Chetan. He made his first two sales with platinum. I give this example. If the person would have started with gold, he would have made just 4,000 rupees. But he understand what I shared with him. He understand, he had a good mental level and a good mindset. He started with platinum, and for the same sales, for the same efforts, he made 14,000, right? So you cannot predict the market and your customer, that when would a person would be interested in sapphire or platinum. We get every type of customer in this Gurukul, and tell them this thing, start telling them that this Gurukul, mostly people start with platinum. When you make them understand this, the very fact that most of the persons start with platinum, and tell them, go on telling them. When I was not a top achiever, I always told the clients that if you want to grow better, you should start with platinum, because to the very fact, all the persons who are at top have started with platinum. You can do big only if you start by thinking big, right? So you make them understand that it's a mutual loss. The market and consumers are unpredictable. Obviously the business persons or the working professional, they never buy a gold course, they start with platinum itself, right? So that would be a loss on your part, not on mine. Else you are mature enough to decide what's good for you. I cannot force you, obviously. I just can make you understand that you shouldn't be spending extra money for the same thing, right? And there are people out there who who directly want to start with platinum, even before explaining. There are people out there, so that would be a loss on your part, right? And moreover, you can make them understand that yes, definitely, let's say um, I and Rohit sir own a toy store, right? And we get 5 customers, right? So I understand, with the Indian mentality, 3 out of 5 customer would uh, go to the toy store and say, uh, show us some toys with the lesser amount, right? But fourth would be the person who would say, okay, make me, give me a toy within the medium range, right? That is our sapphire course. And the fifth client would be the high paying client, who would say, oh, I have to go to a nice place, I have to gift my niece, and show me a good toy with good quality and with a better price, right? So obviously, five, just like your 5 fingers aren't equal, your 5 customers mindset wouldn't be equal. I agree, 3 start with gold, but yes, we do get customers who start with sapphire and gold, sapphire and platinum. So yes, that would be a loss on your part. So in all the conversation, you need to make person just understand person a simple concept: the loss is yours and the choice is yours, both the things, right? So this is what I personally use, and trust me, this is very effective, because we Indians, we we cannot leave our single penny. Even if we lose a minimum 5 rupee coin from our pocket, we start searching it like crazy. So when you make the person see that how much he would be losing if he start with the lower package, right? So definitely the person would start, start considering that yes, platinum is a better option, because my sponsor wouldn't get anything, right? If I start to, even if I start with gold, the loss would be mine itself, right? So yes, definitely. And moreover, you can add one few more points or with them, that yes, um, we have this we have this communication course with us. So yes, definitely, this is a field of marketing, and communication is the most important ingredient in this sales. If you are not a good communicator, trust me on this, you cannot get sales done. So if you start with platinum, you would get the communication course, and that would get you this uh, sales done very easily. So that's all. I am not bucking up with many points because you would be confused then. So I just sorted out the best points that will definitely help you if you start using them on every customer who can afford at least sapphire or platinum, right? Okay.
Oh, this was
Okay.
sensational stuff, Paridhi.
Okay.
This was magical. Trust me on this. This point, I mean, I was literally floored. Trust me on this. Literally floored that, how come a person of like such a small age actually understand the core techniques of how to close a sale actually, because this is what we have been, this is what I personally have been doing all through my life, through my sales journey, my marketing journey, through the different ventures that I've worked with, and this
Hmm.
was precisely what we used to do. And my goodness, I mean, I can't believe how did you figure that out. It was truly phenomenal. Trust me on this, guys.
Sir,
What do you think about it?
definitely, I make the person, understand through various examples that anything can happen, and matlab, it is just not my loss. It is just on you. The blood would be on your hands, not on mine. Yes,
Absolutely. And you explained
definitely.
it even way more beautifully than what I do that.
Start using that. It would help you. And
Yes, I will.
get me
I will.
get me a party if you get your sales done.
Done, done.
Okay,
Guys,
so
how did you find these
so
points, guys? Tell me in the chat box. Like, have you noted this? Because you need to watch the recording again. We'll be providing you the recording. Don't worry about that. But you need to make the points, okay? And you need to start implementing these points as per the as mentioned, because this is the true. This is the true. In fact, I would say the most powerful sales communication or the closing communication that you can do. This is one of the most powerful. Trust me on this, okay? Because people are, much more inclined towards avoiding the loss than
yes.
gaining the benefit. That's a human
Yes,
psychology.
absolutely. Make them understand that the market is absolutely unpredictable. Make, get some examples lined up in your head that Chetan is in my team. He got just two sales, the first two sales with platinum. So he have earned 14,000. Or if he would have started with gold, just like you, so he would have fetched just 4,000, right? So that's a loss of 10,000 straight. So yes, definitely the person understands this thing. Make them understand the loss part, so they would be inclined more. At least they would start considering platinum. Once they are very rigid that no, we don't want to start with platinum, at least they will start considering this. Yes,
True. So,
definitely,
guys, if you are
it would
feeling
help.
confident, type confident. Type I am confident. And don't worry, we'll be taking some questions also towards the end.
Yes, okay, so let's stop screen sharing. So here's a last lovely slide from you, from my side. I wish you all the very best. See you all at BBM. I hope everything that I shared was helpful and you make good results. And in fact, sir, I personally train my affiliates with kind of same training, and they have been generating amazing results. I'm very proud to tell you all that my affiliates and whomsoever I have been helping has already, made at least 5 6 sales by now with the
Already.
same
Wow.
training, with all the points covered, right? It was my internal team training, and they have already generated results. So this is a proven points that I have been personally using, and even my affiliates are using, and they have also generated amazing sales. So just start implementing it.
Wow.
Okay, so
Lovely.
let me just stop sharing my screen. Okay.
Right.
Hmm.
So, shall we start taking some Q&A here now, Paridhi?
Yes, yes, definitely, sir.
Okay.
Was
Great.
I on time?
Yes, it's perfectly perfect.
Okay.
Always on time. The toppers are punctual, right? They are disciplined.
Definitely. But I can never get enough by interacting with you, with this family. I can go hours talking. You know that side as well of mine where I can,
I know
where I
how
can,
tough it would have been for
where,
you
yeah,
to keep me all
definitely.
the conversation.
I cannot, I just can't stop talking with you all. Definitely, I would love to meet you all in person. It has been an amazing day with mentors and with fellow achievers. I got to learn a lot, and trust me, Rohit sir, Paras sir, Keshav sir, Karthik sir, Ritviz bhaiya, they all are, 100x phenomenal in real life as you see them on webinar. They're so cool. We had so much fun. We woke up all night and definitely you would see their other side. They seem very decent, but they are fun even in the webinars. But in real life, trust me, they are just like us, and they want to do is just have fun. So yes, definitely achieving BBM will be worth it.
True, true. Okay, great. Thank you so much for that, Pariti. So let's start taking some
Hmm.
questions.
Yes,
Uh,
definitely, sir.
Roshan is asking how you generate 400 plus leads of on Instagram in a day. I don't think you have shared this concept anywhere, right? 400 plus leads of on Instagram in a day. I guess.
Sir, yes, I do get sometimes very high leads. Yes, 400-500 in a day. That's because of my reels. Start making videos. The reels reach are insane. They are amazing. So yes, you can definitely start making reels, and you will definitely get clients from that.
But that will
Start
happen
making
over
the
time, right?
yes. Sir, it took me 7 good months to
True.
understand the dynamics and criteria of how Instagram rhythm works, and I have gone through the courses and the people here. I am I definitely know that people just start promoting rather than going through the courses. I
Hmm.
myself put a lot of efforts in going through the courses. That is why I am here. So
Absolutely.
start going through the courses. I told this in the very beginning itself.
Truly agree. So next
Hmm.
question is from Nikki. Please tell us your
Hmm.
daily routine of work.
Pathetic. You won't believe me, Nikki. Uh, I'm a hypersomniac person. I have been a hypersomniac person. I was compared to Kumkaran by my family that I can go hours and hours sleeping. But since I have joined this Gurukul, I have been very productive with my work, and nowadays my sleeping schedule is hardly 4 to 5 hours a day. So yes, I wake up, I do all the household chores, and then I study because I am a college student. I have regular colleges going on. Besides this, besides that, I am a UPSC aspirant, so I prepare for that as well. And then in the evening and the afternoon time, whenever I get my breaks, I reply my clients and get calls scheduled. So that's all in a summary. But yes, it's a long day. I don't get even 5 minutes free. I have this I'm very fond of applying nail paints. I used to love doing nail art, but since I have joined this Gurukul, trust me, I don't even get a time to buy a nail paint. Putting it is a very long thing. So yes, definitely, I don't have even 5 minutes free in my life.
So is it a disadvantage, or you deliberately chose to do that?
No, sir, it's good because putting nail paint isn't productive anymore. Making sales is definitely. I am doing so good in a field that now I can hear. Uh, Earlier, the difference is that I used to put it myself. Now I am doing so good that I can hire myself a professional to do all that stuff. So that's
Yeah,
definitely
lovely,
that's worth it. That's
lovely.
worth it.
That's like a boss lady answer.
Definitely, sir.
Okay. So Mansa is asking, as a gold affiliate, can we promote about platinum or sapphire for their profit at least?
Yes, definitely. What I have made you understand here today in the webinar, even if you are a gold affiliate, start. Let's say you haven't earned anything and you have started from gold. Start pushing with all these things that I've told you. Start pitching all these things to your clients, and you might get a sale of platinum. And once you get a sale of platinum, just upgrade your course. As simple as that. But if you this is just for the case I'm telling, for the people who haven't earned anything and who have started with gold or sapphire. As if you have started with sapphire, there's no problem, but if you have started with gold, then you gotta start pitching it, and once you get a platinum sale, then you upgrade it. But even if, trust me sir, I have my affiliates upgraded their course even when they made a sale of just 2000 rupees, they have upgraded their course.
We have
So
so many
definitely,
examples of people like that. No, they
definitely,
were not getting
definitely.
any platinum or sapphire sale, but as soon as they upgraded, we have see
Yes,
at the back
the
end we have all the data.
law of attraction. Yes.
Absolutely. So they didn't wait for the sale to come to upgrade themselves. What happened
Definitely.
was they upgraded. They
Hmm.
upgraded themselves first, and within 2 to 3 days, they started
Yes.
making platinum gold sales.
Yes, definitely.
This gives it
I have.
confidence.
I guess Ritesh has this affiliate. We had this training of his affiliate as well. I don't recall his name. He upgraded his course very late, but yes, when once he upgraded, I guess he upgraded somewhere around 50K. I think maybe because of some financial conditions. And when once he upgraded, he got his sale done in just 2 days. The platinum. So yes, law of attraction definitely works. That once you, and the main thing is, once you consume something, once you have something, you get this unmatchable confidence in pitching that
So,
yes, I have platinum, I have been a platinum affiliate, and I know it's worth, right? So yes, definitely, if you have earned 4 to 6,000 rupees, this is the best time to upgrade.
so how are you generating leads, and what would you suggest to our affiliates to generate leads?
uh, we have ample of training, trust me on this. I have gone through literally every training on lead generation twice at least.
So you
uh,
follow different platforms or what?
Sir, as of now, I'm running short on time, so I have been generating Instagram leads only.
Okay, through ads or
Because
organically?
both. I
Okay.
have been generating ads through videos now, because videos have a very good reach, and then people come to my profile and they directly want to start with me. They are like, uh, people get this thing that I have been getting leads, but they are not ready to invest. I get leads who directly say, tell me what's your program, I'm ready to invest, I want to invest my money. But you have to build a personal brand for that. You have to be so valuable to the people that they want to invest their money, right? So I get, sir, hundreds of clients who say, I'm ready to invest,
True.
tell me how can I invest, right? So you need to work on your personal brand, start building. We have good 30 days. Even if you start making good content today, good videos today, trust me, after 10 days you will see the magic happening.
Absolutely right. Just be consistent with that. True.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. So if someone is saying I couldn't watch the session because it's too big, what's your answer to that?
Which session?
The recording, the webinar. So 40 45 minutes, no? So when if a lead says, okay, it's too lengthy, I can watch it for 45 minutes. What's your answer to that?
I answer that, sorry, if you cannot, watch just a mere recording of 45 minutes, I don't think you are, you are capable of doing any business, because business aren't done in short. Business concepts, business things aren't done in short. There are no shortcuts in business, basically.
Hmm.
So leave it, brother. It's not a right platform for you. Sorry. I
Makes sense.
just
Makes
deny the
sense.
person.
Serious.
I don't use the pull force, I use the push force.
Hmm.
That, sorry, I don't have time. If you can't spare 45 minutes, how can you do business, man? Just grow up, buddy. If you want to do business, then you gotta have patience, you gotta invest time and efforts,
Hmm. True.
right? So just leave him, just say that, sorry, it's not for you, just leave it. Trust me. Then people come, they
Yes.
come running back to me, hey, I have watched the video, please tell me now, how can I do this, right? So you use the push force, not pull force,
Because
works every time.
again here they have sense that fear of loss. Okay,
Yes,
nobody's going to
definitely.
convince me. I'll lose it, and then he'll come back.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. And just to correct you here, Paridhi, you just like mentioned push force as pull and pull as
Okay,
push.
okay, 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 okay.
You did
Sorry,
the
sorry.
opposite
Okay,
actually.
okay, 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 okay.
So I was just reading the next question. There are
Hmm.
leads who are very sure about going for platinum,
Hmm.
and they also say that I'll pay within 10 minutes. But
Hmm.
2 to 3 days,
Hmm.
like they do not communicate and neither give a reply even after seeing all the messages of WhatsApp. Right? They just see in zone. They just try to ignore you. Okay, they don't revert back. How to deal with that?
Well, when this happens with me, I usually text them. Well, I think you are not interested, so it's okay. I won't message you now, and I don't think that I will be able to help you any further, because if you are not on your words, how can I trust you? How can I help you, right? If you don't regard me, how can I, go on regarding you? If you don't value my time, how can I value your time, right? You should be on your words, because the whole damn business run on the, words and trust. So if you said that let's say I make the person understand that if you were at my place and the person would keep stalling you, you would be irritated, right? So you shouldn't do that. If you are serious, tell me how much time will you take. At least tell me the truth. Don't keep stalling me, because I don't have time. I'm a professional man. I don't have this much time to, keep running after you, keep messaging you. We have lots of people that who are genuinely interested. So if you're genuinely interested and you are genuinely facing some issues, tell me honestly about that. I make the person comfortable that share with me if you have any problem. Or if you are just telling, sorry, this kind of behavior is not appreciable, right? If you are not on your words, how can I trust you to do business with me, right? This is the thing.
Perfect. Perfect. So guys, this training was much focused about the closing part. Okay, so
Yes,
so that you can get more sales. If you want to
yes,
learn how
definitely.
she, communicates with the leads, how she does the whole conversation, you can watch her previous recording. Okay,
Yes,
the previous training
definitely.
in which she has shared the complete
Profile
conversation.
building, yes, profile building, and all the things are there.
Okay. Shivani is asking, I want to know how you make them save your number. Like some of them won't save. Okay.
Whenever somebody texts me on WhatsApp, hi, XYZ this side, so I send an automated message that message reads, hey, save my if you will get the link as soon as possible, or by evening or by tomorrow. That varies according to what time I would be free to share the recording, right? I don't share them immediately. I make them wait so that they can go on watching my stories. They build this curiosity, and within 6 to 7 hours I share the recording. So I send this automated message, hey, you will get the link by evening. Just make sure this one point, and the one point mentioned, save my number to get the link and updates. And in the bold, in the very next line, I have mentioned in bold that if you don't save my number, you will not get the link and updates. So everybody saves my number. There are hardly one or two people in thousand who don't save my number. Everybody does, because once they don't do, they will not get the broadcast message, obviously. And some people text me, hey, I haven't got the details. Then I bang them with this, that you even haven't saved my number and you are telling me that I haven't received the details. Oh, sorry, ma'am, I will save it now, please share me the details again. So yes, that's how you get your people people save your number.
Yeah, and do please share the screenshot of this message with us. Okay.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
So a lot of people are asking about this question that my biggest problem is how can I manage my time because I work at a job, so I don't have the time, right? So how can I manage my time?
Look, guys, the one thing that I know from my experience up till here, that everybody gets 24 hours in life, right? You don't have to take uh, hours from your life to do your work. You have to take hours from your work for your life. If you have 24 hours, you gotta ask your work, do I have time to have dinner? Do I have time to have my lunch? You don't have to ask your life that, oh, do I have time for my work? No, we all get 24 hours. I ask my work, do I have this much time that I have to do lunch? No, sometimes I postpone it because my work is more important. I ask my work, do I have the time even for my basic necessities? So time management, already Rohit sir has told many things, that you can go through the webinars, you can go through his Instagram profile. Rohit sir has been sharing amazing knowledge on his Instagram handle about time management, about consistency. But trust me, personally, what I feel is that you gotta ask your work that do you have time for your other things. You
True.
don't get to ask from your life that do you have time for your work, because I get the same 24 hours. Reduce your sleeping schedule, man. We are so young people that we can easily cut short our sleeping schedule, although it is advisory that you should take good sound sleep of 8 hours, but we can easily cut short. You have to just work for 2 3 years, right? And then you get a good life. So obviously, if you want to make 50 years money in 5 years. You gotta do 50 years hard work in those 5 years.
Absolutely right.
Simple as,
Man,
absolute,
the biggest
as
secret.
simple as that.
Biggest secret. And guys, understand this thing. You're just
Hmm.
fighting for a target which is the
Hmm.
30 days away. That's it. You need not do this process or repeat this process for the whole year. Okay, it's only for these special occasions. If you feel that okay that you need to be a part of that meet, if it's really serious, if you're really serious about it, if it's important for you, you will take out time for that. Stop scrolling your time on Insta. Stop wasting your time here and there. Stop investing your time in uh, unproductive and useless chit chat with your colleagues, with your friends, with your relative. It's just for 30 days. That's
Sir,
it.
sir, definitely people see that Paridhi has been fetching good, but you cannot imagine the pressure I have been taking. I have gone nights sleepless. I have been taking back to back Saridons that I have to keep working. I have left my food and I have been taking several cups of tea just to place my head in line that I gotta keep calling and calling. I made 40 sales last week, 40 sales that I am telling you to make in a month. I have made those 40 sales in a week. So imagine I have talked to more than 1,000 people in a week. So I have taken pressure of 1 month in 1 week. So you cannot imagine the pressure behind my income. You cannot imagine it.
True.
So
And did
definitely,
anybody force you to do that, Paridhi, or was it your own decision?
no, definitely, sir. It's my own. I obviously this is affiliate marketing. I'm getting the benefits. I told you already.
So guys, it's all about your dreams, okay? If she's taking so much pain because she had that dream to become top earner, to set that record of being the highest
Then
earner in 7 days, right? She wanted to top that. So it was her own dream. You need not have that dream only, right? You just want to make 10 sales to be, a part of the BBM, perfectly fine. You just want to make like 40,000 this month or 10,000 this month. It's totally up to you, okay? Yeah, so don't take it, okay, like this, okay, that if I want to achieve, I also need to have sleepless nights. It's nothing like that. Okay, it totally depends on person to person.
yes, definitely, definitely.
Okay, we'll take only one or two questions now.
Okay.
So guys, don't keep asking questions about leads and all. Okay, she has already told you. Maybe you joined late. Hmm. All right, repeated questions. Okay, so guys, understand this thing. I have already told you in the beginning. The criteria is that you need to be at platinum level first. The sales which are made after upgrading to platinum, only those will be counted. So don't ask me, okay, if I am gold, if I make a sapphire or platinum, say, will I be eligible? No, not at all. Okay. So you can find this post on our Instagram page as well. Okay. We have clearly mentioned the details over there.
And yes, you can also, I would like to add one thing that you can tell your leads that platinum, that we have certain, achievements in Biz Gurukul that starts with for the platinum affiliates only. So if you start with platinum, there would be many other benefits upcoming as well for the platinum affiliates itself. So you don't need to upgrade later if you start with platinum. You can add that point on.
True. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. So Devi Prasad is asking now, suppose if someone says that I can't afford it,
Hmm.
okay, then
Hmm.
how to convince him? Shall we put some effort or we shall we look for some other leads? Or maybe
Uh,
if we are getting more number of people who are saying we can't afford, then
Yes, look, you just tell them that just like Rohit sir says in his webinar that even if you are the phone you are using, when I'm talking on call, I tell them that everyone can afford it. It's just a matter of mindset. Even I again relate them with the example. I say that you know what, there's this person with name of let's say Amrit who started with me with platinum course, and you know what, he's just 15. So it's a matter of mindset and a matter of mental level, not the budget. Even a 15-year-old can afford 10,000, and you are mature enough that if you and me are holding a phone of at least 15,000, you and me will go on a birthday party, we'll go on celebrating our birthday, and we will easily spend 6-7,000 rupees on our stupid friends who will not be of any use further in our life. Obviously, so it's a matter of mindset. I tell them that even a 15-year-old starts with me with platinum. So you have money, it's just the problem here, not with the money. You tell your parents that you want an iPhone, they'll get you, obviously. Then then how come you have the money and all this thing? Definitely, guys, start watching Rohit's sales webinar. It's very helpful. I have said this many times.
Thank you so much for repeating that again. Lovely.
Mhm.
The way I see that, I see this, Paridhi, is that so both of us are selling. Like the affiliate is also
Definitely.
selling, the lead is
Yes,
also selling. Okay, the
yes,
lead is trying
definitely.
to sell the excuses, and the
Huh.
affiliate is trying to sell, the future, the package or whatever it is, right? So if you buy those excuses, right, thinking
Mhm.
okay that the customer is right, yeah, he can't afford 6,000 rupees or maybe even 3,000, which means you're being sold. So tell me, are you the one selling or are you the one buying it? If you're ready to buy those excuses, done, you're dead. He won. Okay, but it's you who want to
Definitely.
make money, it's you who want to sell, it's you who want to promote. So first of all,
And
stop buying excuse that the other person will not be able to afford it. I've already
yes,
mentioned it so many times in my sales webinar. Now suppose,
and definitely don't force the person who genuinely can't afford. Like there are students out there who start with gold package from their pocket money. Don't push them, because this is not some chip cow policy.
yeah, absolutely.
That the person should start with sapphire only, then only he would grow.
Mhm.
The person who genuinely works can grow from 3000 as well, can grow from 6, can grow from 10 as well. It depends on the person. So don't force the person, because otherwise it starts genuinely looking as a sales pitch. It
True,
shouldn't look like a sales pitch.
true.
You should understand this thing.
And that's where this whole communication comes into play, which Paridhi has explained so beautifully tonight. Paridhi, thank you so much once again for that. This was really, really, really amazing. Right? This
It
was
was my pleasure,
memorable.
sir, being just a Hall of Famer and then reaching here. This just has been amazing. Having that title on your name, it's just keep all the money aside. I just love that title and my name, all the three leaderboards. I just love that. So yes, definitely, it all starts with just a dream. The day I entered this Gurukul, there were people out there who were on 2 lakhs, who were on 2.5 lakhs, and now I can proudly say that I'm on the top. So yes, doesn't matter. Even if you have started today, trust me, you can cross Paridhi Agrawal as well.
In
Oh,
fact,
don't
there
try.
was question there. I
Definitely.
have you read it. There was one question. Can I earn more than you?
Yes,
Definitely.
definitely. You can definitely. Ritvish bhaiya made that one video. Kismat ki hawa kabhi naram kabhi garam. So you get challenges and then you get plus points as well. So definitely, yes, you can earn definitely more than me.
True, true. One question that just
Hmm.
came to my mind. In fact, I
Hmm.
guess some person has also asked here. That will be the last
Hmm.
question for tonight, and it was
Hmm.
that okay. So, like mostly our audience, they comprise of let's say like 60-70% of them are students. So they want
Hmm.
to take money from their parents. Okay.
Hmm.
So how can they talk to their parents about it? What would be a better way to suggest them to talk to their parents so that they can get the money?
Okay, so what I tell them is that, being a student myself, I tell them that when I wanted to start at this Gurukul, what I did, that I talked to my dad, because dad is the person who usually gives you money. Mother just supports you, that okay, ask your dad about that. So you basically gotta ask your dad if you want money, right? So what you tell your parents, just like I told mine, that dad, I want to do a communication course, and that communication course is from a particular platform named Biz Gurukul. They are giving absolutely amazing trainings, and it is just for 10,000 rupees or just for 3,000, whatever package you are able to afford. Like I told them about the 10,000 package, and then my father asked me that, okay, what's this all about? So I told them that it is about communication basically, and dad, I need the skills very badly, because if I am not a good communicator, if I don't have a good personality, I will not be selected in the job interviews that I will give during my placement, or maybe during wherever I go in my life. I need to crack the interviews to get selected. If I am a good communicator, if I have good personality, doesn't matter about my resume, they will definitely hire me. I will have an edge over. And I tell them that recently a person got hired just because of this Gurukul, because he learned this personality development course.
True.
So I told him, so you can tell your parents that definitely it would help you in the long run. This Gurukul, guys, is not about pick up a course and then start selling it. It's about developing yourself. Obviously, promotions is a part where you can earn some capital for yourself so that you can do something better in life, or you can do your startup, or you can do whatever you feel like doing later in life. It's not about you can go on promoting years and years.
Hmm.
Obviously,
Right.
it's a thing that you should start. By the time you are in the learning phase, create some output for yourself as well, right? So tell them that communication is must these days to get cracked to crack any interview. Even if you are a MBA, even if you are from whatever stream you are doing, you just need communication and good personality these days to get hired. So that's what attracted my father. He said, will they give the certification? Yes, they will give, definitely they will give.
Obviously.
So obviously, and he said, for how long the course is? I said, you know what, dad, the course is for lifetime. There's no platform, Coursera, Internsala, there are many places out there who are selling courses, but no platform give live trainings, and that too for lifetime. So that
True.
was like, okay, 10,000 is not a big deal. Even if it was for mere 5 months, 2,000 rupees per month is not a big deal. And obviously, you have that EMI option with this Gurukul as well. If you pay through credit card, definitely you arrange a credit card, you pay in installments. What's the big deal? Tell this to your lead as well. You arrange a credit card of ICICI or maybe some other bank. You pay in installments. Don't pay at once, right? So we have an option for everything available. Not a big deal. Tell them that it will get you hired later. That's
Okay,
all.
great. So 2 points that I would like to reiterate here is number one, that she
Hmm.
spoke about live trainings. Okay, do mention that
Hmm.
point because
Hmm.
parents want. So okay, in their mindset, it's very much important because see, they don't believe okay on this fact that a person can do so well with just an online course. Okay, they also believe in practical learning, so you need to tell them
Yes.
of the live trainings. Okay, and the second thing here is that okay, now don't start promoting this EMI option. It's not available with BizGurukul, as Paridhi has clearly mentioned it. It's available with that credit card. Okay,
Credit card.
so yeah, it's
Yes.
for the credit card. So
Credit
whenever
card.
a person will pay with a credit card, okay,
Hmm.
you just check which option is available. If a
Hmm.
person pays through that credit card, if you pay through your parents' credit card, BizGurukul gets the complete payment here with us. Okay, we get
Yes.
the complete payment,
Hmm.
and then later on, it's you who need to pay your bill to that bank in EMIs. Okay, so that's totally up to you. BizGurukul is not at all responsible for that. Okay, so it's
Hmm.
not like you'll be paying in installments to BizGurukul. BizGurukul will be getting the complete payment. So once you swipe the credit card, 3,000, 6,000, or 10,000, whatever it is for, we'll get the complete payment. So that whole transaction will be deducted from your card. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is it. Okay. So please don't ask me about the AMI option. Okay. I generally don't use that. I just don't promote that. Okay. If you
Hmm.
find it's beneficial for you, you can.
Definitely, but sirs, there's very rare case who ask for EMI. So I tell them that if you have a credit card, you can use that.
Yeah. I mean,
Yes.
yeah, it's very easy. Like if
Hmm.
someone pays with credit card, then later on they
Hmm.
can pay that EMI through their bill. Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
That's it.
definitely.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. And don't worry about the certificate, guys. From Feb, yes, you'll be getting the certificates right on the portal. But
Somebody's asking as well.
yeah,
Mandavi, I guess, is
and
asking about the
and
certificate.
for that, what you need to do is you need to take a test. Okay, it's not like a bogus certificate. Okay, you need to take a test. If you pass it, then only you'll get that certificate. Okay, so don't worry, we'll explain it later on about that. But tonight it was a great training. Tell me how many of you are feeling so pumped up. Okay, type pumped up. Okay, and you're ready. You're ready to charge ahead. You're ready to achieve that BBM target, right? And type, I'll be at BBM, the BizGurukul birthday meet. Okay. If you're committed for that, type, I'll be at BBM. Wow, it's a commitment here which you're giving, which will actually make you sail through, right?
Definitely, we will have a lot of fun. Trust me. Last time it was a conference and a little celebration, but it this time it will all be a celebration, and you cannot even imagine that how fun these mentors are, the fellow achievers are. Everybody has a great nature. They are phenomenal people, and trust me, even if you go on working 2-3 hours extra for this BBM meet, trust me, it all be worth it. It
It's
all
what?
be worth it. Yes, definitely, you have seen the videos and pictures. That's not all. That's the hidden fun we had. uh, you know go on
Like,
talking, playing games.
we played till 3 a.m.
Definitely.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Paridhi, for the lovely time that you have taken out of your so busy schedule. Thank you so much for helping us out there, right? And we look forward to see you make so many more records and scales, so many great heights that people get inspired with that day in and day out. Thank you so much for being a part of the session, Parag,
Thank you so much, sir, and I hope to see you soon.
at the BBM.
Yes, definitely, definitely. With
All the very
all
best.
these lovely people who attended my training today. I
Yeah,
gotta see you all, meet you all, and we'll have hell a lot of fun.
perfect, perfect.
See you all.
Great.
Bye
Thank you so
bye.
much. Good
Have a
night.
good
Thank you so much,
good
guys.
night,
Bye.
sir. Bye bye.